Hello beautiful people. In this video we have this very beautiful question. We are in 2026 now, and 2025 is gone and 2027 will come next year, right? So here we have 2026 square plus 1 divided by 2025 square plus 2027 square, right? We need to solve it without using the calculator, okay? So whenever you have these types of question, always try to follow substitution method. So if I substitute A is equal to 2026, right? Then our equation becomes A square plus 1 divided by A minus 1 whole square, right? Because 2025 is A minus 1, okay? And 2027 is A plus 1. So this is our question now, okay? What will I do now? I will try to solve and find the value of this thing, and then I will just substitute A, right? Okay. So we have A square plus 1 divided by, I will open the square. This is A square plus 1 minus 2A, right? Because A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB, okay? Plus, now we have A plus B whole square. So I will write A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? We get this thing. Now I can see that we will cancel out this 2A and 2A, right? Okay. Now we are left with A square plus 1 divided by A square plus A square is 2A square, right? Okay. Plus 1 is 2. Right, okay. So A square plus 1, I will take 2 common from the denominator, and inside I am left with A square plus 1 only. Now this is simple. I will just cancel out this and this. So in the numerator I get 1 and denominator is 2. So our final answer is 1 by 2. So if you have this type of question, A can be anything. You can replace it with 2025 and then you have 4 here and 6 here, right? Like this. If you have this type of question, answer is what? 1 by 2. Okay. So I hope you understood this. This was very simple. If you understand this, then do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. We have Maths Olympiad questions, concepts, and short tricks on our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.